How to check if a YouTube video is monetized. Hey guys, welcome back. So if you want to know whether or not a YouTube video is monetized or not, we can actually use a simple tool called isthischannelmonetized.com, and just head on over to this particular tool and you can put the URL of any YouTube video. So let's take this one for example, and I can paste that and click on check monetization, and it will tell you whether or not the individual video is monetized. So if I go for murder, mystery, and makeup, murder mystery videos over here, and let's check whether or not these have been monetized. So let's take a look at this one over here. And now we can check the monetization of any video. Sometimes if the tool is uncertain whether or not a video is monetized, it will also let you know if it's not 100% sure. So this video is completely monetized as well. Now you can go on ahead and check out any video that you want, whether or not they are monetized or not, and this can help you in noting which type of videos YouTube does not monetize and which type of videos are monetized on YouTube. You can also do the same thing on this same tool to check whether or not a channel is monetized as well. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.